Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how you can install face recognition through pip. You might have tried pip install face recognition and might have ended it in dlib wheel error. Even though you figured out to get the dlib working, you might still not have figured out the face recognition part. So this video explains step by step on installing face recognition through pip using Anaconda. This video uses Windows 10 as its operating system. The first things first, let's go to Anaconda site and download the Anaconda instance for Windows. I am using 64-bit graphical installer uh, of Python 3.7 for the video purpose. I've already downloaded it. Let me just run through it. Next, I agree. I would like it for all users. Next. I like to install it in my root directory. C Anaconda. Next. And I like to add it to my path environment. This might take minutes time, approximately around 5 minutes. Once everything got installed, click next, next, finish. And it takes you the page. You can close that. You need to make sure that couple of paths are added to the environment variables. So environment variable path. The first thing you need to check is if Anaconda tool script got added. Let me add the Anaconda 3. C Anaconda 3. C Anaconda 3 library bin. And C Anaconda 3 scripts. You might be wondering that we've added in the path like while installation, but it didn't still show up. Sometimes it might very well happen that it adds through the system environment variable, but it might not add through the user variable. Because of this, you might run into some errors. So just to make sure, adding everything even here, Anaconda 3 scripts. Okay. And this is already added and this is already added. Okay, so we are all good. The things that we've added are to the scripts, to the root folder, and to library bin. So these are the paths that we've added. Okay, once that's done, the good check could be command conda list. It might take a couple of minutes to run. It's a sign that it's working. Yeah, so it returned the list of packages that are installed, so we are good. Now comes the second part, is to install Visual Studio 2017 edition. Well, if you might not find it, you can always have the copy from my Git folder. It's in machine learning repo and an installation file. You can download the installation file and execute it. This takes a lot of time, but there are two crucial packages that you need to install in this. They are the C++ compilers, which are essential to run C++ codes. Since face recognition is written in C++, these packages are extremely useful. Yeah, so when it installs, you need to go to individual components and look for two packages, CMakes and V141 tools. V141 build tools and CMake. Alright, so once that's done, you can close the editor and you're all set for your installation. You need to navigate to the place where you've installed Anaconda. Go to lib, site packages, and this is where you need to start command prompt, pip install CMake. Once the CMake is installed, we install face recognition by command pip install face recognition -vvvv. This might take some time to get installed. When it is installed, you see something like successfully installed dlib face recognition module. Thank you.